Dear friends, welcome to Anjudev Vlogs. And this is all about a bike trip from Bangalore to Goa. We started with our breakfast from Hotel Nanjundeshwara, which is in Tumkur. This hotel is a beautiful place which has kids play area and a beautiful ambience to have your breakfast from. You can also find these photos hanged here, which gives a moment of great legends like A.B. Vajpayee sir, Rajkumar sir, and all visiting this place. We had our favorite puri bhaji. It was good too, and then we continued with our trip. We took the NH48. We were heading towards Chitradurga Hubli route. If you are a driving enthusiast, definitely do give a try on this route, guys. Reaching Chitradurga, it was an amazing view for us. Chitradurga is a place with historical significance and is a major tourist hub in Karnataka. If time permits, definitely do give a try to check this place out. The city is famous for its fort, which is locally known as Kallinakotte or Stone Fortress. The story of the brave woman Onake Obawa, which is associated to the Chitradurga fort, is always inspiring and heart touching. If I get a chance, I will definitely plan a visit exclusively to this place. After passing through this historical beautiful place Chitradurga, we headed towards Davangere. The ride was amazing, but then in between there were some constructions going on and we headed for our lunch in the famous resort, Sirimani Resort Davangere. Davangere is really famous for its benna dosa, but then yeah, it's not breakfast time. Let's try out something else here. It was really refreshing, guys, to visit this place after a sunny ride. We ordered chicken kebab, also ordered the special dish here, the Jolada roti and a mixed veg curry. Jolada roti is a staple food in North Karnataka and I would say it is a must try. After this delicious lunch, we continued with our trip. Poor bike, we decided to quench its thirst too. After filling the petrol, we continued with our bike ride. As always, we took proper breaks in between and drank enough water whenever we took a break. Miles and miles to go, guys. Never will miss out tender coconut also. After a scenic ride, we reached Hubli. We had booked for a transit stay in this place and hence we entered Hubli town. We went into the room. It was an affordable stay. The room was also pretty clean. Definitely can be preferred for a transit stay. Early morning, we continued our ride towards Goa, taking the Hubli Dharwad Goa route. Hubli town was so big with all major shops on either side. Shops were not open as it was too early in the morning. Still, the town was awake with people enjoying their morning walk and roadside chats. Almost when reaching the outskirts of this place, there was this unexpected view of fog. It was so cold and was an amazing ride through the fog. As we were new to this place, we never expected such an amazing view of the misty mornings. We couldn't really get a clear view of the road and had to travel slowly and carefully. There were a lot of trucks also on the way. time, we took this turn towards Goa. Hubli to Goa is around 150 km and can take around 4 hours to reach. Leaving behind all the NH ride, we entered this narrow road. We could see people enjoying cycling. There were a lot of greenery in this route. There were no residential area only. It was just fresh air and agriculture on either sides. Felt like singing this Malayalam song. Padam Puttakalam Padan Vannu Neeyum. Then enjoying this beautiful ride, riding again and again through this heavy mist and scenery was a real bliss to the eyes. We then entered this forest area. As always, a lot of love for forest ride. In between, we came across lot of such railway crossing. Continued the beautiful ride through this thick forest. We could also see some cute monkeys on the way. Oh, didn't really want to scare them. Sorry, by mistake it happened. Dears, hunger had already started taking the control. And immediately we could see this perfect hideout for a great breakfast. The restaurant name is Taj Village View, doing justice to the name with a great view from here. The restaurant had just opened and they were getting ready for a beautiful day. We ordered egg omelette and tea. It was really delicious. There were so many families halting for a good breakfast and to freshen themselves. After a good experience here, we continued our trip. Yes, now again through the forest route. After some time came this road which was in a real bad condition. It was kind of an off-road. Looked like our backbone went for a toss. There were constructions going on, giving a chance to expect for better roads in future. Can't even imagine the condition if it is raining. Definitely it will be muddy, increasing the chances to skid. After crossing that difficult area, we were nearing Goa. We got to travel through some ghat roads with fabulous mountain views on the sides. Network was really less in this route except for Jio. There was police check post. They checked for RT-PCR or vaccine certificate. For more information, you can check my previous video on travel guidelines. I will provide the link in the description box. After such a memorable ride, we reached Goa. As always, we were super excited to reach the ever youth, chilling, super cool Goa. We were heading towards Panjim. Yes, started getting to see the beautiful view of Panjim Bridge. And we entered Panjim city, the capital of Goa. The city was as usual in a rocking vibe with great buildings and casinos on the sides. This time, for a change, we had booked for a homestay which is in Dona Paula, a place near to Panjim. The homestay name is Bella Villa. This place was so beautiful, holding lot of plants and some nice decoratives. Altogether, from the entrance itself, we could feel a great ambience. One thing to comment is with all good amenities, this place offers an affordable stay. This villa is hosted by a sweet family. They were so friendly and welcoming. Their hospitality is highly appreciable. That's all about our beautiful ride and the visit to this beautiful homestay. Hope you liked our travel video and will definitely be of great help to you. There are more videos waiting for you from Goa for you guys also to join our experience. Please do stay tuned to my channel, like, subscribe and share my videos. Do let me know your comments. As always, I will respond to them. See you soon guys. Until then, bye from Anjudev Vlogs.